Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. This box is a huge box. It's actually $3,000, so very, very expensive, man. We've been having some back expensive boxes. Wait, 2,000, 2,000, 5,000, and now 3,000. So it's been crazy, man. But before we get into the box, I do want to mention that if you guys did not enter the giveaway, this is actually like one of your last chances to enter. I'll link the video up over here. That is the video where you need to enter the giveaway. All of the instructions are on the description of that video, so go ahead and check it out, man. For this box today, we have a good one, man. Like I said, $3,000, and it's actually from a company that we just saw, I think, two boxes ago. Yeah, like 2 weeks ago. I bought this box from the owner of Soul Steals. His name is Scott, and he runs an Instagram account called SneakerSlut23, and this is like his personal account where he sells all of his crazy shoes and a lot of steals and deals on there that's not on Soul Steals. The reason why he sells it over there is because it's more for like high-end resellers. So if you guys are like really like interested in like selling shoes and making profit on shoes, that's the account you want to go to. Basically what happens is you pay a membership fee of $200 for a one-time lifetime like membership, like forever, man. $200 forever. So if you stay in there for 20 years, still the same price, one-time fee. And then what happens is that he puts you on his close friend story on Instagram, and you guys are able to see the steals and deals that only his close friends see. $400 off shoes sometimes. It's ridiculous. So definitely stuff you guys want to check out. Anyway, that's where I picked up this box, man. So go ahead and check out SneakerSlut23. I did put his Instagram in the description below. So again, check it out if you guys are trying to cop shoes or mystery boxes. He has those on there sometimes as well. Alright, so first things first, there is no shoes without boxes, so that is very good. There's some interesting heat in here, very interesting. The first shoe especially is one that I don't like seeing in boxes at all, man, because this right here is a Timberland box. Tim's, you guys know what it is, and it's a size 10, and yeah, I am not looking forward to seeing what's in here. Oh, okay, interesting. This is a different kind of Supreme Timberland collab. Okay, and I think that this one is dead stock, so that's a little bit different, man. Timberland Supremes, it does have this cool little like Supreme box logo over here, which is kind of dope. Also, as you guys can see, still dead stock, lace bag still attached. Comes like in an all leather upper, and the leather actually feels pretty good on this, so at least it's super high quality, and like I said, it's dead stock, so that makes it easy to sell. No issues there, man. Timberland Supreme collabs are not something that I'm super interested in, but I think they sell out almost every drop. So this one should still have some resale value, hopefully. So if you guys want to pick up this size 10, feel free to check out untiedhawaii.com. That's where I sell all the shoes in the boxes that I don't keep personally. All right, next shoe out, we'll take this one over here. This one is a Nike SB box, and it is a size 12. Whoa. Oh man, is this what I think it is? Ooh. Dude, I think we just hit like a GRAIL shoe like right off the bat. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Yo, wait, this might be a dead stock Supreme. What? Wait. Dude, I think this is dead stock. No freaking way, man. That is crazy. Oh, we just hit a jackpot shoe like right at the beginning of the box, man. This is insane. This is a pair of the Supreme Red Cement Dunk Lows, guys. And this thing is in dead stock condition, dude. Like, this is crazy because these things have been shooting up in value ever since like the dunk market came back like in full force. This thing is like a grail for a lot of people now. Very, very nice shoe. Red Cement Dunk SB Low. As you guys can see, this thing is brand new because there is zero toe box creasing over here, zero sock lint in here, and bottoms are immaculate, no dirt, nothing on there. So very cool to see, man. I don't even know how much these are going to be worth, but I know that they're worth a lot. They might be over $1,000 now. I hope we didn't open up the money shoe like at the beginning. That would be terrible, but at least we got something crazy, so that's good. Okay, so next shoe out, man. I hope this one can follow up to that. This is a Revenge Storm box. This one is a size 9 though, and what do we have here? Wow, another dead... Dude, Scott is bringing it today. This is another dead stock shoe right here. This one has a stock X tag still attached. Man, this... this looks like a kiddie shoe to me, man. I've never been a big fan of the Revenge Storms, but in this colorway, it definitely looks like something you'd pick up for like, I don't know, a very young person, because this, I can't imagine like a 40-year-old guy wearing this thing. This is nuts. Revenge Storms in like a highlighter green or like lime green kind of color. A lot of people really like these Ian Connor shoes, but just for me, I'm not a big fan. It does have Revenge Storm on the bottom, which is cool, and it has that lightning bolt, which is iconic. Very interested to see how much this is going to be worth though, so yeah. Oh, we can actually find out right now. This guy paid $255 for this, so I'm guessing that's somewhere close to the counter over here. All right, so we got like 5 shoes left in here, man. This one is a Jordan box, and it looks like the only Jordan box in here. This one is a size 13 Jordan 3. This one does look to be used, so it's actually the first worn sneaker of the box, which is insane. Beater boxes usually have like only worn sneakers, and so far we saw 3 dead stock. First worn shoe right here. This one does look like it's in pretty solid condition though, man. You guys can see slight toe box creasing over the top over here. No scuffs or anything on the midsole or that Nike Air logo on the back. Bottom slightly dirtied and minimal sock lint, so this doesn't look like it was worn too much at all. The 3s are just a really great shoe overall, man. You can't really go wrong with any of the colorways, so this one will definitely be selling pretty quick. 4 shoes left. This one is another Nike SB box, hopefully another Supreme Dunk. No, this one is a Blazer low in a size 10. I'm not a big fan of Nike SB Blazers, dude. Ooh, and this one especially, because I have no idea what this thing is. A Supreme collab. Interesting, okay. I've never seen this shoe before, man. This is interesting. I mean, check it out with me, guys. This is a Blazer low. It has a Supreme box logo on the back over here and has that FTW on the back heel. A really strange shoe, to be honest, guys. It's used and it has like a I don't know, a very neutral tone, which I'm not really getting behind over here. I don't know how these are gonna sell, man. I'd never heard of these before or seen these in my life, so that'll be kind of interesting to see how much they're worth. 3 shoes left in here, man. This one is another Nike Dunk low box in a size 10.5. Whoa! Okay, I don't like this at all. I think these are called the Nike Dunk Un-Tiffany's, which is like the reverse Tiffany. If you guys know the iconic Tiffany Dunk, I'll put it on the screen over here. It's like the reverse model of that, but this one, man, just looks... Like, do you guys like this? I don't like this. I don't like that at all. Feels very plasticky. Like when you guys look at it up close, it's like super cheap plastic up over here. And also just a really like, I don't know, the color palette is gross. Doesn't look good at all. Cheap. This is definitely worn too. You guys see that toe box creasing. Bottoms dirtied, and I guess it was selling for $125, which I don't imagine anybody's buying this for $125, man. I would not spend $125 on this, but to each their own. If you guys like this kind of shoe, that's cool. It's just always when you guys see me unbox this stuff, it's my personal opinion and take on shoes, and everybody's entitled to their own opinion. We're all gonna have different takes on things, and my take on this is... somebody buy it, please, because I don't want this. This is not a good shoe, in my opinion. I like the regular Tiffany's, not the Un-Tiffany. That's weird. All right, so the 2 shoes that are left in here are both off-white boxes, so I'm guessing these were supposed to be like the most hype shoes of the box, but I'm really like just doubting that these are the most expensive, because after seeing that Dunk low, I'm not sure if that anything is gonna beat that, man, like in dead stock condition. And I'm still kind of like hung up on it because I can't believe we got that. Let's see what this one is. This one is a size 10 Nike Air Max 97. Oh wow, okay. Whoa, dude, I might end up keeping these. I've been actually really hyped on these recently. These are called the Off-White 97 Mentas, I believe. And this one is a really interesting shoe. I kind of am digging this, and it's size 10. I could probably squeeze my foot into that, so I might end up keeping this. This is one that we've never seen in a beater box before, and really just a very clean overall design, guys. Does have like this rainbow swoosh over here on the shoe, and you guys can see that Off-White branding over here. Also got that blue zip tie, and I guess in store they were trying to sell it for $900, and I think that's definitely a good price for this shoe because this one is in really nice condition, guys. Like, it's very clean. And for the last shoe of the box, guys, another Off-White like I mentioned. This one is a size 9 though. And I think, okay, this one might be able to compete with that Supreme Dunk Red Cement, man, if it's the right box, because this one has a tag on it, and I'm hoping it's the right shoe. Wait, why are they doing this? What is this? Oh man, I'm sad. Okay, you guys see the shoe, you guys see it's very hyped, but there's an issue here, and I'm not happy about this. You guys know that this is the Off-White Presto in the 10 collection, like literally my favorite Presto and literally my favorite Off-White from the entire drop. Like, any shoe he's ever made, this is my favorite. And by anyone, I mean Virgil Abloh. And either this is signed by Virgil or somebody wrote Virgil's name on here, which kind of destroys the value of the shoe. I mean, look at this. Virgil. That don't look like Virgil's handwriting. I am not sure, but I am pretty darn certain Virgil did not sign this shoe. If that is his signature, that's sick. I gotta go look at what his signature looks like, but I can't imagine this is Virgil's signature. That's weird. Worn, but overall, I mean, the condition is very solid on this. I wonder if he signed anything on the other shoe. If this says Abloh, I'm gonna freak out. Okay, so this shoe is completely clean. Nothing signed on this one, so that's good to see. Also has a zip tie in here, so that's cool. I just gotta find out if this is actually signed by Virg or if this is just... Why would anybody sign their shoe though if it's like not really his signature? That's so weird. I know Seth Fowler actually got his sign like to say Air Fowler on his shoe when he met Virgil, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Kind of disappointing. Kind of disappointing. Dude, wait a second over here. This is strange. Okay, so last thing on this shoe. On this box over here, it has a price. It has a selling price of $1,200 for the shoe. And in parentheses, it says left signed by Virgil. And I know Soul Steals and Sneaker Slut 23, Scott, I know they know their shoes. So definitely, I'm starting to think that that might be signed by Virgil, which is completely freaking me out now. That's a completely different take than what I had originally on this shoe. And now this might be one of the craziest boxes we've ever gotten in here. Dude, whoa, I got chicken skin, or for you mainland people, I have goosebumps. Like, can you guys see that? That's insane. I just got really... That means Virgil held the shoe, guys. Not gonna lie though, brother has a really bad handwriting if that's his signature. Love you, Virgil. Send me free stuff. Anyway, that is it for this box, guys. Really interesting way to end it. That is very intense. I think that was a big success for a box, guys. $3,000 and definitely a lot of heat in here. Like a lot of heat. Supreme Red Cement Dunk, Menta 97s, and the signed Virgil Presto, which I really got to fact check, but I'm pretty darn sure that must be signed if Soul Supremacy and Scott guys feel like that is his signature. So very, very interesting, man. If you guys are interested in any of those shoes, again, check out untitledway.com. Additionally, if you guys are interested in your own boxes or getting hype shoes like that, like literally Scott is like one of the only people that can get signed Virgils like that. So if you guys want to get like hype shoes like that or steals and deals like for a very, very good price and you're more of an advanced reseller, then hit up Sneaker Slut 23 on Instagram and check in for his close friend stories. Ask him how you guys can join, and then that way you guys can sign up and start getting these steals and deals as well. So feel free to check that out, man. Really legit guy. Trust him 100%. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!